And on this issue of the what she loses or what she gains, I've tried to stay away from that deliberately and correctly, so that that's not our mandate, that's not our lane. Those who are responsible to at the end, once she is removed, to attend to issues of gratuity and pension must deal with that. But what I do know, what I can share with you, is that the conditions of service for the public protector list 3 things of how appointment is terminated. It lists 3 things. The first one, your appointment is terminated on removal. If there's removal, everything of yours is terminated. That's what it says as a first. Second, it says vacation as point B. When you vacate that office, then that's when appointment is terminated. In other words, you would resign or your term has expired. Okay. The third one is death or whatever would happen to you. And it demarcates these 3 issues separately. It doesn't put it all together. And because it does that, it means there's a reason for that. Because removal is separate from vacating the office. It's not the same thing. If you are removed, it's not the same thing as you having resigned or just finish your term, or the same thing as when you have kind of died. And therefore, my message and advice to those that must deal with that at the end, who must deal with gratuity and pension, they have a queue they need to follow. And I would advise them to take a proper legal advice about these 3 conditions of the termination of appointment. And they are listed. There's a reason why they are listed in the manner they have been listed. We know now that we have removed her. And so she can claim that she's entitled to everything else. I don't know if she is, but I'm saying to you, here are the 3 things that the Public Protector South Africa's office, they are the ones who are going to have to pay her out or not pay her out at the end. It's not Parliament. It's not even the president for that matter. It is that office that must do. And my advice is for them, here, that's your guide. Get a proper legal opinion before you take your final decision on that. That's my response on that issue.